Hi there, welcome to my video on how to choose a theme for your Thinkific school and business. So first, I know that Thinkific gives you the Empire and there's a Vogue theme and another choice. And the main thing to know is that the theme, think of a theme as like a template for your business and your brand. The idea is that every theme comes with different colors, different styles, different ways to sort of organize your business and your course and your sales page to sort of present the best experience and the best look forward for your users and your potential customers who are coming onto your website. And so today I'm just going to give you an overview of what the advantages of the Empire theme are. Each theme comes with 4 different styles. As you see, there's Halo, there's Jet, there's Spark, and there's Edge. Each style is a different color, and each color really represents your brand differently. And so I'm going to sort of share with you my thoughts on the Empire theme and why this might be a great theme for your business. Remember, after all this, the best suggestion that I have is to go and explore the themes, play around with them, spend maybe 10 to 15 minutes, not too long, because obviously the more time you spend, you can easily go down the rabbit hole. But more important, just to get a feel for the different theme and think about, does this color really mean anything to you? Does it really resonate with you? Does it feel like it aligns with your brand and your business? Because ultimately, that's what's important. So the Empire theme is a very, they call clean and modern theme that helps display your business center stage. I like to think of the Empire theme as a very simple, very kind of clean look that's great for any kind of business, not necessarily not necessarily as a coach, but more if you're selling a product, you're selling a service that's really focused on B2B. Now, it could be B2C as well, but I definitely think that if you have a B2B element, this theme works really well because these colors, especially this like muted halo, as I like to think of it, it really is just simple, it's not distracting, and it really just speaks very professional and very business-like. It's not, anything woo-woo or like cutesy, it's just very business-oriented. And so that's sort of where I would start, is if that's your brand and that's your business. Empire is very professional and very kind of forward thinking and forward looking, and that it's clean. And then I like the fact that the Empire theme really kind of allows you to have a banner image and really to showcase what your online course business is about. And it gives you different ways to sort of display it that I think has an advantage over other themes. Now, if you also look below, this is what I love about the Empire theme, is that not only do you have that banner image, but you also have different sort of what I call boxes. These are boxes that can be maneuvered and moved around and customized so that if you don't like this box with this image here, you can just remove it, focus more on the text so that it kind of captures your reader and your audience's attention. And I like that there's always like a click, like a call to action button where students can sign up for your course and buy your course and sign up for your school. And so that's one of the advantages. And then I like that this theme gives you a very clean and very simple way to just showcase the key elements of your course and what your course is about. Because if you think about a user who is coming to buy your course isn't going to spend a lot of time looking for information. They want to know the key information that's going to convince them that your course is what they need. And so I like that these check buttons and check buttons here with these headings really allow you to focus on the insights and the bullet points that will really showcase what your course is about. And then lastly, I think it's also important that the display of the course curriculum down here really sets this theme apart. It allows you to show which elements of your online course are free to preview and what they can expect. And I think this is important to have down here as a theme because users are going to be less interested in this at the top than they would be at the bottom. And then lastly, what I like about this theme is that the focus is always on your customer early on. And then at the end, towards the end of the page, this is where your customers have a chance to get to know you as their instructor. And this is really important that this is all the way down here in the theme, because it showcases that the focus is not on you. Your focus is always on the external. And that's really what convinces people to want to sign up, is that this theme is really showcasing and focusing on your business and your course and what you're all about. And so the focus is less on you in the end, because as we know, business isn't about us, it's about our customers. And then I like that this theme doesn't really overwhelm your customers about price. It really kind of gives you different pricing options and shows, what the price is, and then also allows you to sort of add in and showcase bonuses, because when people are buying the course, they're going to want to see what other features and benefits that will really encourage them to be part of a community rather than just buying a product. Because when people buy something, they want to be part of a community, they want to be part of a larger movement and a way to connect with others and with you. So that's kind of like a short, summary of the Empire theme. And then the last but least thing that I think is an advantage of this theme is that the testimonials can be customized at the bottom. And this carousel where these buttons allow someone to scroll across to see more testimonials kind of keeps the page looking clean and not cluttered. So that if someone needs to read more about the course, they can click on this arrow and then they will see more testimonials. But if they just want to read one, they just read one. So this is just kind of a summary of the Empire theme and what I see are the advantages. That's it. And take a look at my other videos for more thoughts on the other colors that are in the Empire theme and which businesses they might be suitable for. Thanks again.